You know anything about the barter system? And see, when black folks ain't have no money, we used to trade for things.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. You already know where we at. My farm.
Say it again. What'd you say?
Well, our farm. Yeah, it's just like it's both ours. But you know what I'm saying? I borrow it sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, man, I can't even get a word in and they already out here waiting, making noise, you know? Greet me like I'm the Pope out here. Y'all hungry? Yeah, I know. Hey, how many scoops? Oh, all right, okay. Y'all hungry? First thing I do when I come out, well, y'all already know, man. Y'all kicking it with me now, you know? Hey, and do me a favor, go back and watch the second vid if you don't mind. So this is like my third vid out here. I finally got my dirt bike running out this joint, but I don't have that. I think JC asked me to do a vlog. I would have, but I ain't got that whatever, the thing for the camera. I don't know where that joint is.
Sure has this top, but has it right here with me now.
And we ain't about to buy one, because I probably only ride like, pause if you have to, like one time. Really. Damn, hold on, where's the scoop? Shh. Silence. Damn, who took a shit in there? That's crazy.
How many times I gotta tell you? The litter box! The litter box!
Why y'all do that? That's nasty. And y'all already know, like the sheep, they like to get fed. They like to get fed in a separate spot. That's goat feeding time. Damn, you know me, I got compassion, so let me toss some for the little one. Little guy making all that noise. Little man.
Catch!
Damn. I fucked that all up.
Man, you sorry.
Anyway, yeah, so here's the... Damn, what are you doing? So yeah, that's the goats and the sheep, y'all ready? Now, Privy wants to see y'all. Y'all ready to see Privy?
There's no hope for him now, Travis. He's suffering. You know we've got to do it.
Y'all want Privy to get to the food first? Damn. Uh-oh. I'm sitting here screaming uh-oh, and I think my dad might have this joint like gated off so they can't come back here, so that the grass can grow and they can eat, I think. Privy, what you about to do? Jump that fence? Would you look who's at the table first? Oh damn, they done wised up. They don't let you eat. They don't let you eat at all. Damn, Priv. What happened? Hey man, don't be like that. Hey, stop that. Let him enjoy the privilege. Come on. Yep, make sure everybody eats, hopefully. It's my favorite thing to do out here. I don't like cutting the grass. No, I'm playing. It's cool, but damn. Boy, you not alright. I almost feel bad for my buddy over there. I wish I would have bought like an apple for him or something. Come here. Here. Huh? Everybody eats out here? Hey. You good? Yeah, I be seeing people riding horses out here. Like, that's the new thing to do or something. I be thinking about it for a split second, I be like, nah, we're good. No, man. Come on, man. What are you doing? Damn. Come on, man. Privilege. Well, I told you about letting them trump you like that. We go over there. All right. I like how he thinks. Come here, you. Come here, you. Hell, come here. Privy, come on. Now, Privy, come on. Priv, you better hurry up while you gallivanting over there. Is that even a word? Hurry up. Damn, what? Damn. I don't know, brother. Get you some grass. See how many baby calves we got now. So I count 4. That's what's up. What's up? Come here. Come here, baby. There we go. I'm scared. So yeah, man, just enjoying it out here. It's pretty hot out here today, as y'all can see. It's like in the 90s. I don't know. Maybe I should ask my pops why a farm.
Really ain't none of your business.
Yeah, we should switch up the narrative here. Like, y'all have already seen the farm, but why? Why get the farm and instead of the Cadillac? That's a good question. Make sure they got water. I saw somebody comment one time and said like the water was dirty. Okay, I'm not kissing them in the mouth.
Me neither.
You know what I'm saying? Shit. Then I started thinking, I was like, damn, they eat grass. Hence, anyway. Damn, shut up. Hey. Yeah, man. Damn, it's a scorcher out here though. I ain't gonna lie. There's all the hay that we got right there. 12 bales of hay out there. I guess the cows and the horses eat it. They like me. They like when I come around, right? Or I guess next we're gonna visit the chickens. I don't really spend too much time over there. Yeah, you making me nervous, brother.
I'm dependent on your son to pull the family through. My son and soul left up to you.
Over here trying to secure the chicken coop because we had some unwanted visitors in I think about a month back. Yeah, you come over here without any without permission,
One of my trustees will put a bullet in your head.
you will die.
You can believe that.
Or this farm takes a lot of work. People ask me like, why not just get a Cadillac and just call it a day?
Is you crazy?
Why you don't just want a Cadillac? Let's go check out the chickens and the duck. Damn. Man, these sneakers, these Air Max sneakers, every pair that I got always ends up like this always ends up doing that. I mean, I've had them for years. It's probably like 2012, but still. I don't know. I just think after a while, I mean, this is the third thing. Yeah, third pair that's done. Rest in peace. And last but not least, we got the brolic turkey, the chickens, and a few ducks back there. Yeah, I don't really like going in there though. You know?
This nigga's scared.
Let's see what's over here. Okay. This must be a duck that doesn't get along with anybody, so we got him over here. We got you solo dolo over here. Word? That's crazy. I know he gotta be bored as shit. And then over here we got the little biddies. Matter of fact, we got some biddies at the crib. I had came outside and I smelled something. I like, what the fuck is that? I look and they on the porch. So he ain't scared, is you?
Take on my hand.
Anyway, I think I'll retire for the day. Right, and just as an added bonus, we're gonna go check out one of my property. Well, one of my only property. That's mine, like not my pa's, not mine.
And the brothers do now, don't forget about us.
I got a few issues with my deck, so had to go to Lowe's, cop some lumber, pause if you have to. Shout out to the homie for looking out on that too, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we live by the barter system.
So yeah, rolling with Pops, and we about to drop this off and meet the guy that's gonna put in the work. Oh, by the way, we off the Merc. Murchison Road is one of the most like popular, known, named street roads in the Ville. It's known for watch yourself, you know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. They call it the Merc for short.
Is that right?
Yeah, so this is my property right here. I don't know if I showed y'all this before, but I had this joint since like 2011, and it's pretty much been rented out all but 4 months that whole time. My I just put well, I didn't, but just had a new roof put up there last year. My next project, well, the next thing I will be paying for is a driveway. Yeah, it's past time. So yeah, that's gonna be my next move. But yeah, my joint, pretty nice backyard. Last year, I had to help too, cut down some trees, And yeah, got a good deal. I think I paid about maybe $600 total for about 4 or 5 trees.
Oh, baby, sometimes it might seem I'm neglecting you. Oh, baby, I'd love to spend more time, but I've got so many things to do. I got work to do. I got work, baby. I got a job. I got work to do. I got work to do. So much work. Yeah.
Brother, I have been working. Ooh, much work.